Papaya salad. Ingredients: 1 small green, unripe papaya, about 2 pounds. 1 medium clove garlic, minced. 1 small red chili pepper, such as Thai bird, seeded and finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, or soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 5 large green beans. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 2 cups bean sprouts. 1/4 cup coarsely chopped Thai or Italian basil, for garnish. ½ cup roasted peanuts or cashews, for garnish. ½ teaspoon granulated sugar, optional. 3 medium scallions, thinly sliced lengthwise. Sticky rice for serving, optional. Peel the green papaya. Grate the green fruit, rotating it as you go to avoid hitting the inner seeds. Add the garlic, chili pepper, fish sauce, oil, lime juice, and brown sugar. Process until the liquid turns reddish from the chili. Set this salad dressing aside. Alternatively, pound the garlic and chili into a fine paste with a mortar and pestle or with the back of a knife. Transfer to a small bowl, add the fish sauce, oil, lime juice, and brown sugar, and whisk to combine. Slice the green beans into segments and add them to the chopper or processor. Pulse to lightly chop and bruise the beans. In Thailand, the beans are pounded to bruise them, but this method works just as well. Place the shredded papaya, cherry tomatoes, and bean sprouts in a large salad bowl. Add most of the basil, holding back some to be used as a garnish. Add the chili dressing and bean. Add most of the peanuts, holding some back to be used for garnish, and toss again. Test for taste and adjust the salad's flavor as desired. If you'd like a more intense flavor or extra saltiness, add an extra splash of fish or soy sauce. More chili can be added to make it spicier. If it's too sour, sprinkle a little white sugar over your salad and toss to mix. The sugar will melt in a minute or two. Garnish with the scallions, and the remaining basil and peanuts. Serve your salad as is or as a side dish to any Thai entree. If this is your main course, try serving it with a side of sticky rice like they do in Thailand.